5 tips for manifesting a specific person. Have you been wishing you can bring a certain someone into your life? Whether it's someone you know, or a dream partner, or friend who you'd love to be around. This video will show you how you can attract that person to you. In this video you're going to learn 5 law of attraction principles that will help you do just that. Stick around to the end of the video, and I'll share an essential bonus tip. Just before we get into the video, if you'd like more videos, guides and tips on the law of attraction, manifesting and building the life you want, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Have a clear focus of what you want. You've probably heard some form of the phrase, "You'll become what you think," before. This idea of thinking can also be applied towards attracting what you want. In this case, a person. The thoughts and mindset you have are projected into energy that is then sent out into the universe. That energy is then sent back to you. So to get the best results, it's important we have a clear vision of what we want to attract. If you're looking to attract your perfect soulmate, then focus on what qualities you want this person to have. How do they spend their time? What values do they have? It's also important to be clear on why you want them to have those qualities as well. Remember, being clear is essential. It's important not to cloud your thoughts with negative emotions or memories, as that will only make the process harder by pushing them away. Number 2. Be the best version of yourself. No matter what gifts the universe may bring to you, you also need to make sure you are ready to receive them. For example, let's say you were told that the next time you go grocery shopping, you'd run into your perfect match. Can you honestly say that you'd feel ready to meet this person? Do you feel that you currently would be able to present the best version of yourself that would attract this person to you as well? Too often we focus on what the other person can bring to us, as opposed to what we can give to them. So start acting like the type of person you'd like to meet. Be positive, excited, and you will begin to raise your vibrations, which will be attractive to those around you. You need to align what you want and think you deserve to what your internal vibrations are sending out. To do that, you can try getting involved in your hobbies, maybe try out some new ones, anything that gets you in a positive state of mind. Number 3. Visualize. Visualization can be extremely powerful to manifest what you want. If you start picturing your goals and imagine you already have them, over time you will program your mind to think of them subconsciously. Spend time each day picturing scenarios which you'd like to happen involving the person you'd like to attract. Picture running into them at the store, or receiving a text or phone call from them. Imagine doing fun activities together or going on dates together. Taking the time to imagine these things, even just for a small amount of time each day, will get you onto a path of building momentum towards them manifesting. When visualizing, try to ensure you are attaching strong, positive emotion with the thoughts. Engaging your senses while imagining these things will make them seem more real and make it easier to attract them. Number 4. Relax and trust the process. While it's tempting to wish for that specific person to show up in your life almost immediately, it's important to understand that this isn't an instant or overnight process. One of the biggest struggles you may face in attracting someone is not being able to let go after making the intention known to the universe. It's important to relax and not get caught up in trying to control or rush things. Something you can do in order to relax the process is to split it into parts. Rather than thinking about meeting, dating, falling in love and living happily ever after all at once, think first about meeting that person. Whether it be meeting them at a party, receiving a text message from them, or approaching them and trying to strike up a conversation. Then after that's happened, move on to the next stage and so on. Number 5. Don't chase. Chasing will only make the process even harder and slower. It can even mess up your chances with someone if you're too persistent early on. Most often, if someone is chased, they run. That's not the situation that we want to create in the slightest. While it may be tempting to send lots of text or try to force interaction with small talk, doing these things only sends out messages of desperation. Chasing reveals that you're not trusting the process, which will make manifesting anything extremely difficult. This is a very unattractive energy to be sending out. That isn't to say that you shouldn't make any effort, but it's important to be reaching out from a positive place. Focus your energy on projecting a fun, relaxed and positive energy towards the person, and that will attract the very same from that person back to you. It's best to think of manifesting as a marathon, not a sprint. While it can take time, the work you do initially will come back and reward you as you move further into the process. Give it time, be honest with yourself, and keep a positive attitude. Here's an extra tip. If even after spending lots of time trying to attract someone into your life, and doing everything right, it's still possible that it may not happen. Understand that there are times when not getting what you want is actually a positive, and can lead the way to better things. There may be a reason the universe is not granting you what you thought you wanted at the time. Have faith that the universe knows what's best and will bring great things into your life when the time is right. I hope these tips have been helpful. Pick one to start focusing on trying, then move on to the others when you feel like you're making progress. Remember, one step at a time and keep positive. Have a great day.